Hello friends, I am Probal Chakraborty. Today I want to discuss Romanian mathematical magazines genes proposed by Akerele Shegun, Nigeria, and I solved this problem in magazine. You will see that I am working. You can get a lot of problem in magazinal problem I have solved. Okay, this problem is very simple, friends, because I have already taught a generalizations that generalization I will use. So friends, please watch very carefully. So according to the property log square 1 minus x is equal to, what is the value of the log square 1 minus x can be written this way: summation n equals to 1 to infinity. It can be written summation n equals to 1 to infinity, and hn by n minus 1 by n square x to the power n. So friends, this is the very interesting formula. I apply this formula in this integration. So my integration is 0 to half is my integration, and log square 1 minus x can be written summation n equals to 1 to infinity, and hn by n minus 1 by n square into x to the power n by x dx. Friends, this formula you will see that log square, whatever I am doing just this formula. I apply this formula and this integral I apply this formula. I am putting this formula. This is so actually whatever my integration is 0 to half. My integration is 0 to half log square. This is my integrations. I will rewrite again because I do not write my integration in here. Log square 1 minus x by x dx can be written this way. And next friends, whatever I will do, this is the very simple. Then now 0 to 1, 0 to half, and I can use the summation property n equals to 1 to infinity. Hn problem is based on hn by n. I can write also this way: x to the power n minus 1 dx. So friends, this way I can write, and I also write another way: summation n equals to 1 to infinity, integration 0 to half. It can be written x to the power n minus 1 divided by n square. It can be written this way, friends. No problem. I hope that you can understand, and everybody can understand this problem. Now just integrating this portion x to the power n minus 1 and this problem, I can write n equals to 1 to infinity, and this problem will come each capital N by n square, and this value is x to the power n. X to the power n means 1 by 2 to the power n. Why? Because integration, you will see that x to the power n minus 1 into dx is equal to x to the power n by n, and here is 0 to 1 by 2. So whatever I can write that 1 by n into 2 to the power n, and this is, here is also n. You see, look this, here is also n, and here is also n. This n and n becomes n square. So it is n square, and summation n equals to 1 to infinity can be written. How it would be written, friends? Very simple. It is 1 by n cube into 2 to the power n, because I show that x to the power, this value x to the power n minus 1 into dx, this value x to the power n minus 1 into dx, the 1 by n into 2 to the power n, that's why it is coming in this. So friends, I hope that you can understand, and after that it can be written. After that, whatever you can write, I will put the generalizations. I will put this generalizations value. This formula is equals to 2 into zeta 3 minus pi square by 6. This formula is equals to 2 into pi square by 6 into log 2, not pi square by 6. This can be written 2 to the power n, and whatever, yes, there is one yes, log square 1 minus x can be written in here also. Forget to multiply 2 into this value is equals to 2 into this. So it had also already multiplied by 2. Here is already multiplied by 2. This is multiplied by 2, and this is multiply. I can write in here multiplying by 2. So this value, whatever we know this value is pi square by 6, not 6, pi square by 12 into whatever we can get. I get it is this value is log 2, pi square by log 2. This value is 2 into zeta 3 into pi square by log 2. Okay, and after that minus, it is this value is equals to 2 into li 1 by 2. This value is equals to li 1 by 2, li 3 1 by, this value is equals to li 3 1 by 2. So friends, whatever we see that this kind of problem, so whatever I can get 2 into zeta 3 minus minus pi square by 12. This result I get I prove this result, friends. You will see this. I prove my, you can get my YouTube videos, and this video I proved this result. So I hope that I don't need to prove in here, I just use this result. And this value is equals to, and 7 by 4 zeta 3 plus pi square by 6 log 2 minus whatever I get in here, it is also pi square by 6, sorry, this is pi square by 6 and pi square 6 by log 2, and you get log cube 2 divided by 3. So friends, whatever you see that this is, and this is cut, this value and this value is cutted, and after that I get that this value and this value adding this value and this value, so I get zeta 3 by 4, and I get log 2 whole cube divided by 3. So this is my proof, friends, and now I will write my result, because this result, okay, this result I will not prove, this result value I also write, but I will show how it will come. Li3 half, this result I will show in my videos, and this result is ultimately proof. And result is summation n equals to 1 to infinity, summation n equals to 1 to infinity hn by 2 square, hn by 2 to the power n square equals to, whatever we get zeta 3 minus pi square by 12 log 2. This is the one proof, and next proof is summation, and next proof is li 1 by 2 Li3 1 by 2, it can be written, this formula is 7 by 8 zeta 3 7 by 8 zeta 3 minus pi square by 12 log 2 minus pi square by 12 log 2 plus log cube into 2 divided by 6. So friends, this value you can get also Wolfram, also I will prove this value. This is the main, this value I will prove, and you can get this from Wolfram. This value you can get this from Wolfram. So friends, thank you for watching. I hope you can understand my working process, and also it is very helpful for all the engineering students, those who are studying mechanicals. They need and electrical and engineering students can get help. So thank you friends. I hope you enjoy this video. You will get enjoy from this.